Okay friends, now today we are going to install this Anaconda Python, which is the very famous package which almost has 1000 data science Python packages in it. So conda is a very famous thing, and everyone wants to install it in their OS. I always recommend you to change to the Linux OS, which is very better than Windows or anything, because I have felt the difference. The installing packages and all dependency are very easy in Linux, and also many things are very profitable in Linux for programmers. It is the OS for deep learning, machine learning and neural networks and artificial intelligence. It is the best. So let's see how to do it. So first, to go to this Anaconda Python Anaconda, you type it in Google and it will take you to this site. Go to, or I'll give you the link below. Go from there and check out for this Linux, and just for a 64-bit OS I have, so I am downloading it. The same procedure is applicable for 32-bit and 2.7 versions. So first what you have to do is you have to just click it and it will start download. So I have already downloaded. I am not going to download it. So now what I am going to do is I am going to the downloads and right clicking it. In my thing I have home. From home I have actually the downloads, and I'm going there, right clicking it, open the terminal. So I'm going to list all the files first. This is the first command, ls, and hit enter. It lists all the files. So first what you do, you have to make a mdsum. It is just like a hash, mdsum, and search for the file Anaconda. It will surely be there. Copy this Anaconda 3.5.1.0 Linux 86 64.sh and just paste it over here. It has started hashing. Now what you have to do is you have to type this command chmod plus x, a little space, and just paste it. It's that easy. So in order to install it, there is only one step ago, a little tiny step to install a wonderful package like Anaconda. So just type bash and just paste it, and it will take you to the installation, and it welcomes you to the installation. You have to just do it by hitting enter and get for more. Read all the instructions. Actually no people does it. Okay, now what you have to do is, it is asking please answer yes or no to accept the license term. Yes, surely. Okay, now you have to be very careful on copying this thing, okay, because you will be needing it to start the anaconda-navigator, because in my system I don't have a GUI starter for Anaconda. So I'm going to paste it here. Actually I have exposed myself. My name is Saktishwaran. That is my channel's name. So I'm going to replace this from this. It is the same thing. So when installing, coming to this point, you have to copy this, or else you may not get it correctly when starting. Okay friends. Okay, I have copied this, home Saktishwaran Anaconda 3. You can also copy it by just going there to home. Actually now it will not be installed. Actually Anaconda doesn't show now, so it is going to try to create a folder. So now what I have to do is, to confirm, you have to hit enter. Yes, the prefix is home Anaconda 3 and it start installing. So let's hope for the best and just wait, and the installation starts to run. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start Anaconda Navigator, and I'm going to show you how to install the packages and where to get the packages, and that's it my friends. And that's it, you are ready to go. You can start exploring the wonderful world of machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence and neural networks, and make a good fine projects. Let it finish. It will start to install. Actually this previous version, if you see my another video, you can know that this Canopy Python was very wonderful in installing. It just took seconds to install, but actually this installs all the dependencies which has been packed into the installer, so it takes some time. I am just talking to you to pass away the time. So deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence are going to take their big step, and the future is about AI. But actually, creating a model, believing it to run, depends upon people and your talent, skill, and where does the source, reliable source, come from. So let's see. It is installing all the dependencies. You can take a clear look. It is installing scikit and everything. Let it install. You have a wonderful packages: Jupyter, IPython, Spider, everything. So do you wish the installer prepend Anaconda 3 install the location path? Yes, give it an S. There will be no problem. Before giving it an S, just copy it, whatever thing it shows up, and just paste it. These are the very easy and reliable procedures I can say you on the net. So you have to paste it and hit enter, and it says thank you for installing. Moreover, we should thank Anaconda for giving us this wonderful package, and a very thank you. And friends, jokes apart, we will see how to explore Anaconda. So we have now installed. Now go to the menu, and if you search for Anaconda, nothing shows up. Nothing. So what's the problem is you don't have a GUI interface for this. So what I'm going to do is, if you just close this and get to a normal terminal from a desktop or any other location and hit Python, you are going to see this. But there is a problem, friends. In some Linux OS where you cannot access the anaconda-navigator. So let's see, we can access anaconda-navigator. Anaconda-navigator. Invalid choice. So it doesn't show anaconda-navigator. So there may seem a problem to you, but I have a solution for it. So what you have to do is, you have to paste in these commands, and in order, what happens is the anaconda-navigator, a shy child, shows up. So then what you have to do is get these commands, then these commands will be below. These are the standard way of accessing anaconda-navigator and the best way, and you can see. And the next command is an wonderful command. Actually, I missed it, friends. I actually missed the minus sign over there. So surely now it's going to start, and you are going to have this wonderful shy child before you. And here we go. It takes some time. Let it take its time. It's taking a time. The time is ticking. Oh my God, it started. It's a wonderful package. Okay, don't mind about that error. Okay, don't show it again. You have all sorts of wonderful packages pre-installed. This is a wonderful GUI interface where you can use machine learning. Let's check the Jupyter lab whether this Python works for us. Let's see. So it goes there, it shows up, and there will be no problem with that. Let's go for an notebook, Jupyter notebook, and check whether it works. Actually, I'm not typing any commands, Python commands. I am just shift enter and you have it, or you give it a number and shift enter, you have it, or you give it a big number, just for a calculation and hit run. You have it. And that's it, friends. This is how you install Anaconda, and we are not finished yet. There is a job to do. So what you have to do is, to install these packages, you have to go to the environments, and the base root environment. What you have to do is, go there, open the terminal. I am only doing this for a Linux. So this base terminal, what you have to do is, how to install these packages. So you have a wonderful forum on the online of this Anaconda cloud. You go there and just type a very simple package for now, for a time being, Pi Auto GUI. Now what you have to do is, you have to check out for a Linux contained package. So this is a wonderful automating package for Windows, Linux and everything. So just click it and copy this, go to the terminal, paste it, and have fun. And that's it, friends. This is how you install, start, run and install packages in Python Anaconda. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will lead you to wonderful tutorials in machine learning and deep learning and neural networks, and I will show you what are the sufficient conditions and the efficient conditions to actually use machine learning. Okay, friends, thank you.